Restore Dell Windows Vista to factory settings. When you get a brand new computer, you expect that everything should run smoothly. But sometimes, even if it's brand new, it may somehow act weird or slow, especially if there is the so-called bloatware pre-installed by either the manufacturer or retailer. When this happens, you want to try every possible means to set it back to the ways it was when first purchased. It could be frustrating though when your computer does not behave properly, but you have one option still. You can take it back to its factory settings. You can restore it the way it was before purchase. This, however, will be your last resort, as it will erase every file you have saved and every application you have installed. So before you think about restoring your Dell Windows Vista to factory settings, make sure to back up all your important files onto a backup drive or DVD before you restore your computer to factory settings. What you need: make sure to prepare everything you will need to begin restoring Dell Windows Vista to factory settings. Have your Dell computer ready and prepare a writable CD, DVD, memory stick or external disk drive for transferring your important data from your computer to be retained. Transfer process. Since you will lose every piece of information stored in your computer, including your installed programs and files, once you restore your Dell Windows Vista to factory setting, be sure to have backup. You can usually find all your data under the My Documents folder. As for your applications, you will need to reinstall them after you restore your computer to factory settings, so make sure you have the install disks and serial numbers, device, and drivers. After your transfer processes, ensure that any device and drivers are unplugged from your CPU. This will include devices such as your camera, memory stick and printer. You will need to retain your keyboard and mouse, though, to complete the restoration process of your Dell Windows Vista to its factory settings. Reboot your computer system. Once done with the transfers and other necessary preparation, make sure to turn off your computer properly and then turn it back on. You just need to restart your computer to continue the process. Dell logo hint. When you restart your computer system, you will see the Dell logo in the process. Once you are able to see the Dell logo on your computer screen, make sure to repeatedly click on F8 key. This will prompt or show a list of options, but make sure to choose the message "Repair your computer" on your computer screen, then hit the Enter key. Choosing from your options. A window will then pop up to prompt you in selecting from a list of options. This option is given for your keyboard layout, which will provide you with a drop-down list. Choose US and then click the OK key. User account and password. You will then be asked to input your username and password for your Windows Vista account. You may enter as requested, but ensure that your account has administrative functions for better access as the process requires. Just leave it blank, then click OK if you do not have a username and password set up yet. Restoring your computer to factory settings. Multiple options will again be shown on your computer screen. At the bottom portion, you will find Dell Factory Image Restore. Make sure that this is the option that you choose. When choosing this option, an operation will be generated that will take around 45 minutes to complete. After completion, it will prompt you to restart your computer system to complete the process. These being your last resort amongst the many options you may choose from, ensure that you have exhausted all other primary alternatives first. Should you be hesitant in the process of restoring your Dell Windows Vista to factory settings, you may opt to restart or shut down your computer when you get to the option of Dell Factory Image Restore. This will shut down your system without executing the process.